Yes, about that time I hit y'all with another little amp rack. This was for a 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Man, let's go ahead and get into it. Usually for the Jeep Wranglers, I like to mount the amp up under the seat. I usually like going to the driver's seat because there is a perfect hole on the driver's side that has a nice little grommet that you can poke out and run your power wires through. Now the board that I'm mounting this amp to is a piece of 1/4-inch ABS plastic. Very easy to work with, and the first thing I want to do is lay out my wires on where I want them to go and start drilling these holes. After I do that, I can take the zip ties and mount them from up underneath. That way the knot part of the zip tie is not showing, and we can just clip all that stuff from the back end. Now I usually already run the power wire, so I left some of these loops open. That way I can just kind of run the wire through while I'm inside the car. Then I can cut and install my power wire perfectly and continue to zip down the rest of the wires onto this board. Now even though this gives me a really nice clean look, it uses so many zip ties. I ain't lying, I'll probably use like maybe 50 or 60 zip ties, and it does add an extra 30 minutes to an hour worth of work, but it looks so much cleaner, and there's something satisfying about cutting all those zip ties off with my flush cutters. At the end of the day, it makes it all worth it. Even though the client's carpet is not clean, at least the amp rack looks good. I like mounting under the seat because it gives me easy access to all the EQ controls right up under here. If y'all like it, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Keep going, keep growing. God bless.